My name is Taylor Flores. I'm a student intern with Campus Sustainability here at SDSU. Group of students and myself, we created these bike racks on campus.
We're providing students an opportunity to engage in the process and to make a difference in terms of campus sustainability.
We found during our research that a lot of bikes around dorms are sort of out of shape. A lot of times the tires don't have air, they're flat. And I think that's mostly because students don't really have access to anywhere nearby where they can fix their bikes or do it themselves. So this will provide that service for students.
This is going to reduce the amount of emissions being generated in support of the Climate Action Plan, as well as provide for a healthier lifestyle for our students, faculty, and staff.
So whether it's a loose screw or a flat tire, this station will help them fix their bikes and have them on the bike lanes again.
So right now we've got 3 bike fix stations installed, one at Cali, one at Chapultepec, and one at University Towers, with one coming at ARC. We're going to pilot these stations, and if we get good responses, we'll look to expand in the future.
We partnered with housing and associated students, both of which helped us pay for these bike fixing stations, so they were a big help in getting these on campus.
You know, these types of collaborations make it easier to implement these types of projects, and we're looking forward to more of these in the future.